I want to start my own channel. And there was a moment where I was so close to starting my own real estate channel. I was scared of you. No, I swear.
What?
Because I know you so well. I've known you for like, what, 4 or 5 years? The only thing I like spending money on is like a house and a car, and then everything else. I don't even know how I got these clothes. Everything else.
What you guys don't know, David like loves houses. He actually ended up coming to a couple of our shoots.
I've been at every video.
Y en este vídeo voy a enseñar exactamente cómo trabajo yo con cada uno de los influencers que trabajan. Primero de todo te voy a enseñar cómo hacer un lanzamiento utilizando las historias de Instagram y cuál es el funcionamiento. Vamos a dividir un mes completo en 4 semanas. La fase número...
I had to add at least 3 new people to my database.
How often are you trying to add?
Every day. I focus on like referral.
It's actually awesome. Start off with something simple. Excel worksheet, notepad. Just don't forget to go down that list every single day. You're gonna make a mistake. Don't let it overtake you. Continue to be consistent. Who cares what the last call was or how bad it ended or how, nasty they were when they hung up on you?